All right, welcome to this episode of Jackass. The theme today is extreme programming. So today we're going to be taking you through extreme programming. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's extreme. Now let's go do some crazy stunts.
Extreme. Work it, make it, do it.
Do it! Extreme. Extreme.
Do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Extreme!
You are somewhere.
Extreme. All right, first.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Somewhere.
That didn't work. Gonna have to apply some extreme programming principles to nail down this project. Well, in order to go through extreme programming, I know that I'm gonna need a coach, and I can't use a Scrum Master, so I'm talking to my project manager here, Grace, and she's gonna walk me through programming my trick.
Okay, so the first step is you need to plan. Okay, Jalen?
But
Planning.
planning's for nerds. I'm a skater.
No, planning is the essential first step in extreme programming.
Well, if it helps with my trick. So, first, to get my trick down and go through, Grace says that I need to do some planning. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and start planning out my project so that I can break it down piece by piece.
Okay, Jalen, that was great. You've got the first step down. You've planned out the trick, and now you need to break each piece of the trick down into sizable chunks so that you can figure out each step before you put them all together. Each step has to be bug-free, completely ready to go on its own before you do the whole trick all together. Got that?
Sick. That sounds pretty extreme.
Extremely extreme.
All right, so now that I've finished my planning and broken it down into sizable chunks, I need to make sure that I get each part of this trick down before I put it all together, or I could get seriously injured. That would be lame. So there's really just two parts to the ollie that I found in my user research. I gotta hit down, and I gotta make sure that I've got this part of the trick down before I actually try to put in the second part. Feeling pretty good about this. Now that I've tested out that part of the trick, I'm gonna need to test out the second part. Gotta make sure that if I get the board into the air, I'm leveling it. All right, so I think I'm ready to attempt my trick now, thanks to extreme programming. All right, so now I'm gonna finally bring all those steps together and complete a sick trick. Okay, now Grace, just give me like this, and I'm gonna edit it together later, because Bart taught me Photoshop the other day, and I'll just slice the shots. The first like. Okay. All right, now do another shot. Just maybe like a couple. Sure. Okay, got it? Sick. All right, folks, now that's how you use extreme programming to make your life more extreme, your products more extreme, everything's just so extreme. Oh, yeah.
Dogs aren't allowed in this apartment, and this dog's only 14 in dog years.
Extreme.